Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we're looking for interesting opportunities to buy at US-based stocks. In this case we will talk about Peloton Interactive Incorporated, ticker name PTON. Well, it's very bullish, to keep it very short, very bullish, buy, and the reason for this is actually this very interesting preset. So what is observed here, after classical declining channel, what we observed here before, we see a return, so we see upwards channel being formed, and then what happens is actually so-called reconfirmation. It's the moment when bears take over for some short period of time. This is, let's magnify, this is exactly when it's taking place, and this reconfirmation usually kind of unpredicted because it depends on the buying capacity of bulls as well. It might go lower, sometimes might go higher, but in this case it's a very positive confirmation because usually it goes somewhere till even the middle of the previous descending channel, but here it was even better, so it immediately killed by bulls and we are actually on the upwards trend. So here yesterday, day before yesterday, trading sessions was a clear rebounds. Moving average 20, which is the green line here, goes up with a very strong acceleration, so second derivative is more than zero, very strong acceleration. The same goes for moving average 50, the blue line, very strong acceleration upwards, and you see the red line, moving average 200, is actually bending upwards again, meaning that it's going to stop from descending and kind of trying to also bend upwards. This is a very bullish pattern. Usually you can wait even till the moving average 200 is reached, but I don't advise to be that hunger, let's say, for the profit. Just do it at a reasonable level. So let's first discuss where we can buy here and then when we can sell. So buy is immediately there. Tomorrow could be a small reconfirmation candle here taking place, similar to, for example, just in the shape, in terms of shape, like hammer-like formation, could be red or white, something like this, because still the market wants to reconfirm this positive action. Therefore, it will be the buying opportunity. The first technical level to buy is anything within the body of this candle. At the moment, it's between 12.34 and 13.37. So if any still small reconfirmation take place, which is very improbable, but still if it happens, then you can buy anywhere actually below, actually the beginning of the shadow of previous candle, and then all the way to this reconfirmation level, which will be between 10.07 and 11.15. But overall, as I said, this is extremely bullish pattern here. And of course, if it suddenly goes really down, which we don't expect, then we need to look historically. There is no real support with this line in the vicinity. So for so-called doomsday scenario, we keep some money to buy anywhere lower 8.28, but I don't think it's even happening with the bad news, because look at this enormous volume taking place. So market also recognizes, traders also recognizes this situation, this pattern, so that they're jumping in. A lot of stocks are bought out, RSI is going high, so it's very, very bullish. And what we see from MACD, it's actually decline of negative wave. It touched a little bit and then it will definitely, this action again, start a new positive wave here. So very, very bullish, immediate buy, I would say, and then you can keep some funds, of course, for second level or below, just to be on the safe side. And again, how we trade here, it's so-called classical 5-portion trade. That's what we advise at our channel. It means that the money you would like to play this position, you can split in 5 portions. You can buy with 1 portion at the first level, then keep another 2 portions to buy through the second level, and keep remaining 2 portions just for so-called doomsday scenario. If everything goes wrong, then you can buy the third. Then on the rebounds, you will return your losses and also be able to take some profit. But overall, very bullish. So when to sell now? This is also an important question. As I said, the most optimistic would be moving average 200, a little bit lower because it will decline by that time. But I would say just sell it. I would sell before this level, which is here. So I would just say at 15.80, let's say plus minus. It's still very good profit because from 13.41 to 15.81, it's, let's say, in the ranges of 10% plus. That's usually what I advise. But if you want to take a risk, and in general it's a classical behavior, we can go all the way to moving average 200. So very bullish, very nice Not often we have these positive chart formations, but in this case it's Peloton. So good luck with it. If you like what you see, you like what we discuss and how we trade, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.